Welcome to this free course where I'm going to be sharing with you how to build, launch, and grow your online community in the next 30 days. Now, maybe you have been thinking about creating a community and you're just feeling really overwhelmed, or maybe you know a community is a really great way for you to not only grow your audience, but also to be able to sell and scale in your business. But you're not sure exactly where to start. Well, you're definitely in the right place, because in this step-by-step series, I'm going to be walking you through how you can get your online community up and going in 30 days or less. I'm going to walk you through the no fluff, the no overwhelm way to where you can be able to use these strategies and execute them and actually building out your community. Now, I'll also be sharing with you a platform that I love to use, which is called Kajabi. Kajabi will help you to be able to get your platform set up in one place and be able to get your checkout and so much more. Now, you can use your preferred platform, but just know that within this series, I will be sharing this platform and also some other different tools and resources that can help you to get up and going faster than ever. So if you're ready to dive in, I am too. I can't wait to help you to create your community. Let's go ahead and get started. If you're ready to build your thriving community and you're trying to figure out what platform to use, I want you to check out one of my favorite platforms, which is Kajabi. You can build your community, host memberships, online courses, coaching programs, email marketing, your website, your funnels, and so much more. So if you are interested in checking it out, I have a 30-day trial where you can see if it's a good fit for you. And also you can get some exclusive bonuses that I have for you that will help making launching so much easier and faster. So you can check that out in the link below. Hey there, Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Template Society channel, where we help coaches and creators to build an online business, saving time and saving their sanity by using templates. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about why you should be creating a community if you're an online coach or a creator. And we're going to walk through how this can help you in your business to be able to grow, to be able to sell, and ultimately scale with a community. Now, before we dive into this video series, I definitely want you to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss a thing and you can get notified of some of our upcoming videos. Also, if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you are looking to build a community below and what type of community you're looking to create. In this first part of our video series, where we're talking all about how you can build a thriving online community, I want to first go over why coaches and creators need a community. What's the point of having one, right? There are so many different types of products that you can have out there, and you can have memberships, coaching programs, online courses, just selling digital products like templates or other resources that your audience might need. Why do you need a community? Community will help you to get clients, to sell more, and also create freedom in your business so that you can make an educated decision to see if creating a community is even right for you. Okay, let's get started with the first reason on why you should have a community. So building a community allows you to build trust with your clients really fast. You are able to show up for your clients in a way that you can't necessarily show up when you're doing just free content. So maybe you're showing up on social media platforms, you're providing a ton of content, but you're not really growing the way that you want, or you're not seeing that content turn into actual sales. Well, by having a community paired with you sharing content, this is going to help you to be able to connect with your audience more. You don't have to worry about things like algorithms and wondering if people even saw what you posted, or having to post so much content where you just feel overwhelmed and burnt out. Instead, you can have your audience from your free content go to your community and start learning from you in a more advanced way. They can be able to get more access to you, see your content more often, and so much more, which allows them to build trust, to learn more about you. And then whenever you're looking to make sales for other products in your business, you can share it with this community and allow them to get first dibs. Now, speaking of social media and creating all that free content, sometimes the algorithm is not on our side, right? We post all this content, we get super excited to share what it is that we are teaching about and sharing with the world, but then we don't get the eyeballs that we want on it, and it's becoming frustrating. So maybe you've just created this amazing video, or you created a blog post, or you just want to share something that you know is full of value, and you share it on social media and it doesn't get that look and like and stuff that it needs in order for people to be able to see what it is that you are sharing. Well, having a community allows you to just skip over that whole algorithm thing. If you have people in your community that are ready to learn from you, that are excited to see what it is that you are sharing and the value and the wisdom that you are providing, it allows them to be able to see it, to connect with it, and you don't have to worry about, did they see it? Did it show up on their feed? Did it pop up within the algorithm for them? Instead, you can tag them. You can make sure that they saw it. You can repost things, and you can really follow up with people because you have more control when it comes to your community. Okay, so let's get to the third reason why you need a community. Having a community will allow you to be able to generate recurring income if it is a paid community. Whether you are charging weekly, monthly, or quarterly, this allows you to be able to generate revenue while providing value, showing up for your audience, and so much more. Now, a lot of people get stuck with building their email list and they're feeling overwhelmed because they just don't know how to get their ideal customers to buy some of their products. Well, a community is a really great way for you to have it at more of an entry level and have people come in, get a taste of what you're all about and so much more, and then introduce them to other products along the way. Now, there are some people who sell really premium communities, and that's totally fine. But if you are in the entry level and you're trying to figure out how to just get started with your community and figure out what works best for you, you might start off at a lower tier price for a weekly, monthly, or again, quarterly payment. And this allows you to be generating revenue while sharing value. So I definitely love that because now you can start creating some revenue in your business and ultimately be able to start selling and eventually scaling when introducing other products or just growing your audience within your community. Now, the fourth reason why you need a community is because it allows you to serve more clients at once. So you're not having to do one-to-ones. You're not having to answer a question for a one-off. Instead, you can interact with your audience as a whole. And one thing I have found out over the years is that if you have an active community, sometimes the individuals in your community will answer questions for you or share their wisdom and their advice, which helps your audience to get the results that they are looking for. So in this place, you can show up, whether it's through videos or through posting or having challenges and so much more. You can show up and share with so many people around the world versus you having to work with people one-to-one and really encourage them to be active with each other so that they can be able to assist each other along the way within this community. Now, the fifth reason why you should have a community as a coach or a creator is because it allows you to add an asset to your memberships, your online courses, your coaching programs, or some of your other digital products. So maybe someone is purchasing a coaching program or a course or a membership, and they want to be able to ask a ton of questions. And instead of having your questions as a one-off and they have to email you, they can go and jump into this community. And as I've mentioned before, a lot of people who are active in the community might jump in to help really encourage individuals or answer questions and network and so much more. So I look at having a community not only as just a one-off, but a way that you can also add an asset to some of your other products to really encourage individuals to not just get this result, but to keep going further. And it's also allowing you to really up the value of what it is that you're offering in some of your other products. Okay, so those are the 5 reasons why you absolutely need a community as a coach or creator. This can help you to get clients, to be able to sell in your business, and eventually scale in so many different ways. Now, if you're looking to build your community and you're not sure what platform to build this on, I highly recommend that you check out Kajabi. I have a 30-day trial for you that will allow you to jump on, see if this is a good platform, and see if it's a good fit. And also, I have some exclusive bonuses that will help making launching so much faster. You can check that link out below. Okay, I will see you in the next video series where we're going to dive in deeper into how to build your online community.